Hi, everybody. This is Stay at Home Grandma, and I've got my Thursday's mail for you and some chit chat. Um, let's see. I got some Chipotle chilies. I like chilies. Hey, Kathy, got some chilies. And I'll cook with these. My husband doesn't really like them like I do, but he's learned to, become more tolerant of them. And I don't put a whole lot in the food if it's going to be, if it's just me, I don't really care, or the kids, but, whatever. But anyway, then I let's see, got some more stencils. Some more stencils. And these are, I think I'm going to give these to the kids because I think I have quite enough. I don't know how I got these, but I'll pull them out. I think I'll put them in their box and let them play with them. I think I have just enough. If I need them, I'll wash them off. Because I know. How's everybody's day today? It is rainy and damp here. So I got these. Got the little guitar and the egg, I think, and what's upside down. So there's the dog and says yes, no, to do. And then here's, that's the red card. And then here's these. Again, if I cut down the different things. And then the gingerbread man down at the bottom and the crown. And then all the little arrows and everything like that. So they'd have fun with these, I'm sure. And then these are these little sunglasses and lipstick, and that's the one. And then this last one is, well, 1, 2, 3, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to put these in their little bin and let them have fun with them. So like I said, I've got quite a bit of them now. And I'm sure if I really need them, I can know where they're at. So let's go over here into the, and then I got, oh, right here. Something else I got for my husband, if I can get it open. His birthday is the 8th of March. I told you March is when. I'm pushing it open, it opens up like this. Come on, seriously? This is his brush I got for his beard. And the comb set. Got the little pouch and the little comb set right there. So I got that for his beard. I figured that would be really nice. He's got a beard, so he can brush and comb it. So that's how that goes. I'm steady pushing it out the side. I don't know. Educated, still stupid. Then, last but not least, I had to get two little squishies, and they are zip squishies. They smell like bubble gum, and they are for my two great granddaughters, because they come here all the time. And I was talking to Angel, and Angel's the oldest one. She's 8. She'll be 9 in May. And I said something, and she said, "Oh, I love squishies." So when I got these, I said, "Aren't they cute? Let's take them out so you can really see them." Because I thought that they were cute too. I don't like ugly little. I don't. But I thought that these were really cute. That's that one. And then that's that one. So I'm going to take them downstairs and I'll give them to them because they stay with me on Friday night. So I'll give them to them tomorrow night when they come upstairs to go to bed. And I thought that was nice. And that's all I got. Like I said, I'm cutting down. I'm doing more art than anything. So I will have a schedule for you. Just put it all together. I have it in my head, but not on paper. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you all later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.